Problem 25 on page 23. Mike's regular pentagonal garden has sides measuring 8 feet. His neighbor builds a similar garden with a scale factor of 3 to 2 to Mike's garden. What is the perimeter of his neighbor's garden in feet? So the first thing we need to do is figure out what regular pentagonal means. Regular means that all the sides are the same length, and pentagonal means that there are 5 of them. So this is the garden that we're talking about, that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a regular pentagon. And I'm going to copy that because I'll need it in just a minute. So this is Mike's garden. That is a regular pentagon. And the sides are 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. That's what makes it a regular pentagon. So to get the perimeter of Mike's garden, we just need to multiply 5 sides times 8 feet each. So Mike's perimeter is 40 feet. Now they tell me that the neighbor has a garden that is 3/2 the size of Mike's. So I'm going to take my 40 feet and multiply that times 3/2. So 40 times 3 ABC2 is 60 feet. So the neighbor's perimeter is 60 feet. And that's what they asked me, the perimeter of the neighbor's garden. So that's the answer. But I do want to show you how to find the sides. So if you had to do that, you would say 60 divided by 12. I'm sorry, I'm ahead of myself. 60 divided by 5 sides is 12. So this would be 12, 12, 12, 12, and 12. But they wanted to know the perimeter of the neighbor's garden. So that is C, 60 feet. Number 26. A wall in a new house has a height of 17 feet and a width of 19 feet. In a photo of the house, the wall is 0.5 foot, or half a foot. What is the scale factor of the photo compared to the actual wall? So the first thing they told me about is this wall in a house. And they say that the wall in the house has a height of 17 feet and a width of 19 feet. And then they want me to scale down to a photo. So we're going to take the actual wall and take a picture of it. And in that scaled down version, the width is 0.5. So these are the 2 dimensions that I need. Remember, I have to have one from the mama and one from the baby. So we are scaling down. That means that mama will come first. Mama's bigger. So 19 divided by 0.5 is going to be 38. So the wall is 38 times bigger than the photo, and that is E. Okay, number 27. A building is 50 feet wide and 35 feet long. What is the scale of the largest scale model that can fit on a display base that is 20 inches wide and 20 inches long? So what they're telling me is that in the drafting the engineer's office, we want to make a model of this building that is 50 feet long and 35 feet wide. And we want to put that model onto a square base. And the square is 20, let me do it this way. Not 20 feet, sorry, this is in the office, so it's 20 inches by 20 inches. And so we want to know the largest model we can possibly build. And here's the key. We are limited by the 50 feet. If I can make the 50 feet fit on this 20 inches, the 35 will fit also because 50 is larger. So you're limited by the largest dimension. And you're going to try to fit that 50 feet scaled down to the smaller one. So you want to compare the inches to feet. So 20 inches on the model, we want to condense that 50 down to that. If you take those off, you're left with 2/5, 2/5. 2 inches to 5 feet. Now you could have done it the other way. You could have done the 50 over the 2. You still would match up inches and feet. So your answer on this one is D. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and I will see you in the next one for 28.